Okay, guys, let's check out these two trade setup. Okay, on GainX 1002 and GainX 999, and we're going to see how it is going and what we should do, and of course, what we should look out for whenever we are trading these two assets. Okay, so this is very, very important. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end because you're going to learn the same strategy which I am using to generate signals for my community. You're going to learn how you can do that on your own. You're going to learn how you can analyze your charts easily and using the same strategy I am using so that you can also be milking the market just the way we are doing it within the community. Okay, so before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question, please drop your question in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said, we'll be checking out these two assets, GainX 1200 and of course GainX 999. Okay, so we're going to see how far we have gone with it. Okay, I remember some days back. Okay, this actually this is GainX 1200. It got to this resistance zone and we jumped into the trade at this point where it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, where we also had the sell signal. We came in and we milked the market till the end of the trend. This is where we stopped, but later on it tried to go back on uptrend but came back down to break out below the support zone to get to this region. And when that happened, we had to wait for it to um, give us the right signal before it jumped into it. Okay, so right now it has given us the right signal and it gave us an uptrend signal at this point and it gave us a buy signal. So I set up this trade immediately. Our entry point happened to be on this and this happened to be our stop loss, and we have highlighted the TPs. TP1 achieved already, TP2 achieved already, TP3 yet to be achieved. It almost achieved it at this point, but it came back and right now it is having a pullback. Okay, I believe once it is done with this pullback, it should go back up to continue with the trend. Okay, so you too can still join the trend. So I believe this is still going to out achieve the rest of the TPs, except if the market misbehave. So like I have been telling you, the trend trading strategy is still one of the best trading strategy. Remember how this is on 50-minute time frame. I told you some days back we milk the markets. I mean, we milk the downtrend market right from this resistance zone to the very end of the trend. Okay, so right now we are milking the uptrend market right from this support region, and of course, we are still on it. This might take some days, but the most important thing is that we are milking it in profits. Okay, that is the beautiful thing about this. Once you come in at the right time, set your order, set your stop loss, and make sure you highlight some TPs for yourself, and that is all you need to do. Okay, so this is so unique and so beautiful. Now let's see, guys, for GainX 999. Okay, still the same setup. I remember very well some days ago this happened to be on uptrend. Okay, so it started the uptrend from this support region and we jumped into it, jumped into it by placing our order at this point and of course putting our stop loss down here. And this took some time. It took some days before we were able to finish up with this trend, and it kept on spiking and spiking throughout this period. There are pullbacks in between, but we are more in profits throughout this, and of course this actually gave us huge profits at the end of the day. So it got to this resistance zone, and that was why I had to pull this. And of course I was like, if it should break out from there, then it's going to buy more. If it does not, then it will go back on downtrend. So we have been waiting for it to really switch on downtrend fully because it played around there for a while before getting to this region. And just some hours ago, it switched fully from an uptrend into a downtrend. I remember very well yesterday, I dropped this signal in the Telegram channel, this particular signal in the Telegram channel. And of course, I gave us an entry point. I also gave us a stop loss right from there. And I highlighted all these TPs for us. Okay. So we came in a bit late because within the Telegram channel, this is our entry point. We came in a bit late. We ought to have come in somewhere here. Okay, this is where we ought to have come in, but because some of you guys are not having this trading tool, that is why we came in a bit late. Okay, so for those that are having the trading tool, they should have jumped into the trade even before now. Okay, so that is it. But with all that, we are still in good profit right now. It got, I mean, it was able to activate the order late yesterday night, and right from there, we've achieved the first TP, we've achieved the second TP, and it is heading towards the third TP. Okay, so probably before the end of today, it will achieve the third TP, the fourth TP, and maybe the fifth TP. Okay, so this is so juicy, this is so unique, and of course, it gives you peace of mind whenever you are using a trading tool like this. Okay, because the trading tool is also using the same strategy which I have just explained to you. So if you don't know how to identify when the trend is switching from one trend to another, probably from uptrend to downtrend or from downtrend into an uptrend, then you can make use of this indicator. It will help you to know this whenever it is happening. Okay, but if you are not having the trading tool, then you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you, and I will show you how you can get it started and even how you can have it installed on your system. Okay, so this is very, very important, and this is how it works. It is as simple as that. I will be stopping right here. In case you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section. And if you want a fast answer from me, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is right there in the description box, and it is also the same thing I am showing you on the screen right now. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.